My name is Milkshake Money, and here we talk about everything crypto. And today we are talking about Bitcoin price. What's happening? Is it okay? Is it not okay? Should we be worried? Should we be happy? We're going to be looking at it. XRP, there's a downward trend, but is it all doom and gloom or is it heading all the way down? And the Pi network, it's looking a bit iffy, but is it all bad? We're going to go and look at the price charts and see what's going on. We're also going to be talking about the launch of the Wolfpack, and this is major. I'm so excited. So let's get into the video. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. 82% of you that watch me are not subscribed. So if you hit that subscribe button, you'll be the first to know every single time I put out a video or I do a live. And they're coming in a special way. But for now, if you can hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and also hit that bell button. Let me know in the comments which part of the world you're from. I love it when we do that. Let me know in the comments, first of all, which part of the world you're from, and also what is your favorite cryptocurrency? And let me know, is it going to go to the moon soon, or are we staying stagnant? Let me know in the comments. I'll get some chat going. I appreciate every single one of you that are subscribed. And the guys that have followed me over from TikTok, you are the best. Honestly, you support me so well over there on TikTok. But YouTube is where it's about. I have had an incredibly busy couple of weeks. It's been difficult for me to get the YouTube videos out. However, we're now rolling. We're now flowing. I've managed to sort some things out that's been going on. I've got exciting news to tell you guys about, which has been sucking up my time. However, we're now ready to rock and roll. So to all of you guys from TikTok that have been supporting me and have been flying over here, thank you. And for those of you who discovered me on YouTube, go check me out on TikTok. Go and have a look in the description. In there is a link directly to my TikTok. Please be careful searching for me on TikTok because there is over 550 fake accounts of me on TikTok. They're scammers. They're just going to try and rob your money. But if you click on the link in the description of this video, that'll take you to the real Milkshake Money. There's only one, and it's spelled as you'd expect, Milkshake Money. There is rumors all over social media that the United States of America might be about to cut the interest rates. And if that happens, it is fantastic news for crypto. Because if money is cheaper in the United States of America, more money will flow into riskier assets, things like stocks, shares, and especially crypto. So keep your eye on that. That's something really important to watch. However, it's not cut and dry. There's nothing to say that it's definitely going to happen. This is at the moment just rumors and probably wishful thinking. I wish it too. It will be fantastic for me. It'll be fantastic for you. We should all be hoping it happens. But will it happen? I wanted to talk to you about a project that I've been working on. I have had huge pressure from my social media following over on TikTok and both here on YouTube, where people have been asking me, where's my private group? What's my Telegram? What's my Discord? And I don't have one. I didn't have one. I don't like Telegram and I don't like Discord. It's for the scammers. And those are the platforms that the scammers using my profile use all the time. There are hundreds of fake Telegrams and Discords with my face on them and my name. None of them are me. The reason the scammers make so much money is because there has been a need to have direct access into me and to see what trades I'm actually doing. So I've delivered it, but I've delivered something even better than people asked for. I've put together a collection of social media content creators from TikTok and on YouTube, covering different sections of cryptocurrency. This group is called the Wolfpack. We launched on Saturday and it's been phenomenal. The response has been unbelievable. We did a discount code for the first 50 people to join, and that went in 48 hours. I was overwhelmed. I was so happy that people believed in the project that I was doing. We've got a new discount code. The discount code is launch30. I'm going to tell you, the link to join the group is in the description of this video. To join the Wolfpack, the features inside the Wolfpack are better than any other group that I've seen. And believe me, undercover, I've been in them all. The first thing, the most important thing is we're building a community where it's safe for people to learn how to grow together and trade together. With the sheer amount of scams that are out there, it was important for me to create a safe zone for my supporters. On top of the community forum, which is very much like a Telegram or Discord where you can all chat together, it's got better tech than any of those sites. I'm talking, it is top notch. This is like a modern, upgraded, much better version than all of those sites. We've also got embedded into the group. You have got access to all the tools that you're probably going to need. Crypto heat maps, the Fear and Greed Index, as well as pre-prepared video training courses on the subjects that matter to you. Right now, the most popular one by an absolute mile is the one that we've done on leverage trading. We've teamed up with Bitunix and we've pulled the right resources to build you the best course so you can understand the basics and also the intermediary when it comes to leverage trading and how to actually use the site. It's all right to understand what leverage trading is, but if you don't know how to use the websites, it's no good, right? So we put it together all in one place. We've got more training courses in the pipeline that's going to be dropping this month. We've already got other ones that are already live in there. We've got some in conjunction with Tangem on a full rundown on exactly all the features and how to use the cold store wallets. Those training courses are ready for you to dip in and out of whenever you want to. You can learn at your own pace. We've also having a once weekly podcast style format live stream inside the community. It's hosted by a lady called Bullish Babe. She is an expert in this field. She is a ex-host for some major networks. She is also a professional podcaster, and she is hosting inside the Wolfpack once a week with all the core team members, the people that you're going to want to listen to and you're going to watch. But on top of that, it's going to be an open platform where we can bring guests in. The members can come in and join into the conversations. This podcast format, we're working on a plan for it also to go out on other channels as well, including iTunes. But to be in it, you need to be in the Wolfpack. On top of that, we have got a section where it is the core team members trading sections live as they happen, as we make our trades. You're going to see exactly what moves we make. We have also got an alert automatic whale watchers. I have built a system that is going to be scraping the blockchains, looking for whale wallet moves. And as the big boys move, you're going to get an alert to know exactly what they're doing, because I'm going to teach you how to follow the money and make some money. We've also got automatic coin alerts. The moment they drop on the major exchanges, you're going to get an alert inside the Wolfpack to tell you it's dropped. Because if you can catch some of these early, short term, sometimes even over the first few hours, you can make some money, bang, and you can get out. I'm going to teach you how to do that. We've also got something called the Wheel of Fortune. And the Wheel of Fortune, you click it once a day. You can only click it once a day. It's locked. But once a day, you can spin it and you can win a prize. Today is the day that somebody won the first prize on the Wolfpack. It's taken 3 days and somebody's already won a prize. So a big shout out to you, Pittsburgh Mad Hatter. That's his username. I love it. I assume he's from Pittsburgh. I haven't had a one-to-one chat with him yet, and I'm really looking forward to it because he is the first person to win a prize by spinning the Wheel of Fortune with inside the Wolfpack. Well done to you. I can't wait to see who the next winner is. Current prices available right now are a PS5, a pair of iPad Pro Maxes, some Uber Eats vouchers, some branded T-shirts, and also some free time membership added to your subscription within the Wolfpack. On top of the weekly live podcast, each one of the core members does a 1-hour weekly session live streaming within the group. And me personally, I'm doing daily live streams for a Q&A session and drop-in, especially while we're new, while people can come in and ask any questions about the group and the site, and I can help them. I'm doing that daily. My time to do the daily drop-in is 2 p.m. UK time, but the rest of the team are from all over the world. So we're covering different time zones and different live streams are happening at different times, depending on where you are from the world. We've got you covered. And we've also got the ability that if you're inside the Wolfpack and you are a member, we can give you an affiliate link. So everybody that you invite into the Wolfpack, you can earn a commission on your monthly fee, on their monthly fees. So you will get 10% of their monthly fees paid into your account. And you can actually either spend that inside the WOP onto your account and put it towards your own membership, or you can cash out into your bank. It's whatever you want. And already some people have already paid for their membership by using their affiliate link, because everybody seems at the moment wants to get involved. So it's something I've offered to people and they are loving it. So if you're looking to get involved in a trading group, then come over to the Wolfpack. There is a link in the description of this video for the Wolfpack. Please use the promo code LAUNCH30, no spaces. Remember, that promo code runs out when we get to member number 100. Now, the first 50 people joined in the first 48 hours, so I don't know how long this promo code is going to last for. So if you are interested, click the link in the description and use the promo code LAUNCH30. I hope to see you all in the Wolfpack. You asked for it, I've delivered, except for I've delivered something better than any of you asked for. Looking at the TradingView chart for Bitcoin, as it stands right now, we are at 93,800. Now, it is still within this channel. Look, there's the bottom, there's the top. It's still in that channel. But if we lose this resistance here, we could be heading down. We need to be honest with ourselves. I hope it doesn't. I hope it still bounces around here. We've still got a little bit of low. The lower low here was 93,491, but we are getting $400 away from that. We really want to keep in that zone. If it stays in that zone, we are looking incredibly good moving into Wednesday. But if we lose it, this could be bad. XRP, this is not a good story. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11-day trend heading downwards. From up here, it was up at $2.21. We're now at $2.08. I mean, in terms of the numbers, it's not the end of the world, but it's a trend that isn't looking good. What we really need to rescue XRP right now is a rally on Bitcoin and Bitcoin price to move up. If the Bitcoin price moves up, the large cap coins will follow, in my opinion. And XRP, being one of the largest of all the large cap coins, will be following it right up its backside. So we need to keep our eye on the Bitcoin price, and we need to be hoping that the Bitcoin price is going to be heading past $100,000. Can it happen? That depends on what's going to happen tomorrow, because tomorrow America's going to be looking at their interest rates. If it holds, that's good. If it comes down, that's absolutely amazing. If it goes up, that's bad. So stay locked in. Let's see what's happening tomorrow in the USA. The Pi Network coin has been moving sideways now for a long time. It's been absolutely fine, but today it's taken a hit. It's gone from 58 down to a low of 57. But if you look here, there's been very tiny movements. But today seems to be a bit of a downward trend. And hopefully we can get some good news coming out of the Pi Network. Now, unfortunately, everybody was a bit of a buzz talking about the crypto event that's happening in Canada, Consensus 25, and that Pi was going to play a good part in it. And it's come out now that actually the big wig of Pi is only having a bloody half an hour slot in a back room away from everybody else. It ain't even a stage event. So this is not good news. We really are desperate for some good news to come out of the Pi Network. And as soon as that does, and as soon as that happens, hopefully it can start getting an upward trend. But as it stands right now, it's a lot of sideways action with a little bit of downward action. What we really need, and we all know it, is we need to be listed on a major exchange to make any kind of impact. There is still some sell-offs going off. As people are getting their coins released, there's a sell-off happening, which is keeping the price stagnant or forcing it down. We need to stem that a little bit. I think also confidence in Pi Network is dropping, and we need to try and fix that. The core team, they need to sort it out and sort it out quickly. My advice is watch Bitcoin. Keep watching Bitcoin. If you're going to open the charts on anything, make it Bitcoin. It doesn't matter what your biggest bag is. It does not matter. Bitcoin is the one to watch when we're in this market right now. This is a weird market. It's like nothing we've ever seen before. But Bitcoin is so important to the movements of everything. If Bitcoin doesn't move, the others won't move. Yes, I know you have a random coin that will suddenly jump up 30% and nobody really understands why. But I'm talking about the market as a whole, not individual coins. Bitcoin is so important, and keep your eye on it. I've also noticed that the fear and greed index has started to move. We're now heading towards 60. So in other words, people are getting slightly more greedy than they was a few weeks back. But I'm also noticing that the amount of figures when it comes to trades are not necessarily increasing. So are we going to have a bit of a bubble where people are getting a little bit more greedy, and then bang, they're going to ape loads of money into it? We'll see. Time will tell. I don't have all the answers. But looking at the stats, looking at the fear and greed index, I think this could be an interesting second half to this week. But remember, keep your eye on the Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. And remember, if you are interested in getting involved in the Wolfpack, there is a link in the description of this video. And also, there is a promo code, launch30, no spaces. I'm going to put it in the description as well. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell button, and you're going to be notified every single time that I go live or I make a video here. Remember to follow me on TikTok as well. And if you are already in the Wolfpack, then I'll be seeing you inside the Wolfpack at 2 p.m. every single day, UK time. And I'm also going to drop in on the other guys' lives as well, because I can't help myself. I absolutely love it. So I'll be seeing you inside the Wolfpack. If not, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Remember, keep your eye on Bitcoin.